Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since we moved to this house, I keep on using a triple action floor shine cleaner. But then I noticed that the wax starts to build up and it turns this floor tidy and dark. So on today's video, I would like to share with you on how I get rid of this wax build on floor tiles without using hard chemicals. I use warm water or even hot water just to help a little bit to melt the wax. And then I add this multi-surface cleaner. You can find it in Walmart or even in Price Store or even Target or any store.
I wanna go out and face the cold, but it's a really good time for a monologue. Can't let this pass, I find it hard to breathe. Time is up, the bell has rang, and it's really hard to understand that losing you now is the only choice for me. But someday our roads will cross before, and someday our ocean will find its shore. If you've never been tired, then you've never been this in love. When you feel there is time for us, then I'll be by the same old road. Minutes ago, you were still mine. Feels like I'm drifting too far from the line. When you left, your final word will leave. The following weeks, I'd understand I will never be that close to someone again. The further I go, the closer you will feel.